Defence Minister Rajnath Singh formally inducted the indigenous developed light combat helicopters in the Indian Air Force at a ceremony held at Air Force Station, Jodhpur in Rajasthan. Telecom Minister Ashwini Vaishnav has said that the government plans to set up 100 labs for 5G technology across India, and at least 12 of them will be used to train students and conduct experiments. President Draupadi Murmu has paid tribute to Mahatma Gandhi at Gandhi Ashram in Sabarmati, Ahmedabad. The president is on a 2-day visit to Gujarat today. In Jammu and Kashmir, security has been stepped up across the Union Territory in view of Home Minister Amit Shah's visit commencing today. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has given the approval to pay productivity-linked bonus equivalent to 78 days of wages to eligible non-gazette railway employees, excluding RPF and RPSF personnel, for the financial year 2021-22.